Welcome back, children. Today we will know more about Surat. You know what are historical places of any district, city, or a country? Yes, historical places means our heritage site where pieces of political, military, cultural, or social history have been preserved due to their cultural heritage value. A historic site may be any building, landscape, site, or structure that is of local, regional, or national significance. So let's begin our journey through the historical sites of Surat. The Surat castle was built by Khudawand Khan as per the orders of Ahmedabad King Sultan Mahmud III to prevent the city of Surat from repetitive attacks by the Portuguese who considered Surat as a city of great trade. As a result of this, Surat was burned down by the Portuguese multiple times in 1512, 1530 and 1531. The castle is now a famous historical place in Surat and is highly admired for its sleek architecture. It is located on Rangupwan Road near Makai Pul Chowk Bazaar. Sardar Patel Museum. Established in 1890, Sardar Patel Museum contains great rich history of Surat and is dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. Built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, the Moti Shahi Mahal was converted to a museum known as the Winchester Museum, which people now refer to as Sardar Patel Museum. The museum consists of planetarium, Asian relics, paintings, science gallery, auditorium and a restaurant. It is located on City Light. The clock tower was built by Khan Bahadur Buzorzi Faraser as a tribute to his father in the year 1871. The 80-meter tall clock is located in Jhapa Bazaar is an ideal place for shopping comprising of a large number of textile and embroidered craft shops. The parts of clocks that were initially mechanical were replaced with battery operated quartz. Narmad House is a prominent historical place in Surat where the great poet, writer, and social reformer Narmad lived. The house was restored into a museum by the Surat Municipal Corporation consisting of 2 floors. People visit the museum to cherish the stellar pieces of history, art, and literature left behind by poet Narmad. Established in 1850, Andrews Library is the old library in Surat which is quite popular among students from commerce, science, engineering and medical fields due to its rare works in arts and history. This library was co-founded by a wealthy pearl dealer named Rao Bahadur Naginchand Zaveri. It is located on Chowk Bazaar Road, Nanawat, Gopipura. Dutch and Armenian cemetery consists of Dutch tombs of various sizes and shapes. The sculpture was formerly decorated with mural paintings with windows filled with stunning wooden carvings. This place has been a great historical place in Surat, signifying the history and the Britishers and the Dutch. It is located on Katargam Road, Vijayanagar 1, Katargam Darwaza. Tomb of Khudawand Khan in Sayyidpura is among some of the popular places in Surat having historical importance. As a consequence of continuous piratical raids by the Portuguese in the city of Surat, the city was experiencing a dark time which was tackled by the then governor of Surat, Khudawand Khan. The monument is located where in 1546 the governor was buried. This place is decorated with beautiful full forms of carvings and wooden arts. I hope children you enjoy this journey. Lot more to come about your city. Stay connected. Till then, bye bye.